I just woke up. It's 4:55 and I'm so tired. I don't even know if you can see me. I'm gonna do a morning routine and it's gonna be like a real morning routine. Like this is what I do every morning. Turn on my laptop so I can listen to music. And then I'm gonna put my hair up and go wash my face and brush my teeth. So cute. Did I turn the mic? I just wanted you. I whitened my teeth last night. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but I did. Is that you? You scared me. Oh my god, dude. Freaking goggles. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 5:04 a.m.
What is this? Oh, it's from when I showered last night. Just trying to let a towel dry. Will I clean my room today? Probably, because then my mom will be mad. Yeah, you can see me. It's fine, cut off my forehead. My forehead's too big anyways. Oh my god, it's so cool. So there's a huge mark on the mirror, and I don't know why I didn't clean that one little spot off, but now it's bothering me, so ignore it. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve. Watch me dissolve. Slowly. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve. Watch me dissolve. Slowly. Can't find an exit. Wandering a maze alone. If I find you, will you shock me? Left and not right. Pretty sure that I've been here before. It isn't what I wanted. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve. Slowly. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve. I just wanted you to watch me dissolve. Slowly. It's 5:30. I'm done with my makeup. I'm gonna do my hair just because I haven't done it in so long and I need to at least look presentable some days of this week because every single day this week I've worn my hair natural, I think. I'm not really sure. I just wanted you to I just wanted you to watch me dissolve. Like, what is this section? My eyebrows look big today. Of course, the day that I film, my eyebrows look big. Yes. I was so scared I didn't have my ripped jeans clean. I have to go wake up Pumbaa. Oh my god, of course the battery is dying. The camera died, but we're back. This is my outfit. I don't know why I wore this to bed, but I did, so it already happened. I took a shower. I'm not dirty, so. And then, oh wait, that's a better angle. That's my funnel. You know what, my room's a mess. Just, so yeah. Ripped jeans, and I'm wearing my Jason socks. Yeah. I have a bruise on this leg, and it's like swollen, like it's literally a bump. But, and the crew socks are kind of hurting my soul, because of that bruise. But it's fine, because hopefully it'll go away. And yeah, that's my outfit. And then obviously I have all of my bracelets and my necklaces and stuff. And I put on deodorant and perfume. I just didn't show it because the battery died, so I just put it on. I need chapstick though. My least favorite chapstick ever. It's disgusting. It smells weird. It smells so weird. But my lips are so chapped it hurts so. Sometimes you gotta use what you got. It's currently 6:03. Yes, okay. So now I think I'm gonna go make coffee. I don't take it to school anymore because I end up peeing like 8 times. And even if I do drink coffee in the morning, I still end up peeing like 8 times. So I don't know. I'm probably gonna end up doing that anyways. But I'm just gonna make coffee and then leave it here for my mom and dad while I'm at school so they don't have to. We don't have milk. What are you eating? How are you eating cereal with no milk? Where did you get that milk?
Fridge.
When did she get milk? When did she leave? We didn't have milk last night. I am confusion. Oh, Daddy went to the mailbox. Really? You guys seriously are disgusting. I still have time to clean my room, so I guess I'm gonna go do that, even though I don't want to, but I should. So I'm gonna go clean my room. This shirt is so windy. Yeah, it's 6:20 right now. Anyways, so my dad bought me this when he came to visit on Sunday, and this is my first vinyl. I don't like that it does this thing, but I can't really stop it from doing that. But anyways, so these are vinyls. It goes on my record player, in case you don't know that. Like, if you haven't listened to this, you've been missing out. Yeah, I have everything. Alright, now I'm gonna go work on my project. I'm gonna show you it so far. I'm actually not that mad about it. This is like the sunset, and I painted some of it pink. Focus. Some of it pink because like it was pastel, the picture I have that I was referencing off of. And then like the sun was rising. This was before school, and then these are mountains. And then I accidentally put this blue thing here. I don't know what I was thinking, so I erased it, but now it's still there. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I'm gonna work on that in the kitchen so that I'm ready when my mom gets here. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm getting out of the car. I hope my mom will record it. I don't know. I filmed that entire time and didn't have oh, this just keeps getting better and better and better. I literally ate an entire burrito and talked, and it didn't have the mic on. That was this video. I didn't film me getting out of the car because I forgot the camera, and yeah, that's it. It's my first soccer practice, and I have a lot of anxiety about it, and I'm freaking out. And like, I kept zoning out and not in a good, I don't know. I hate meeting new people. Like, it's just not my thing. And like, I can conversate with people. It's just the thought of meeting new people, and I haven't played in like a year and a half or 2. I don't even know. And when I did play soccer, I wasn't in like the best of terms with life, which sounds really stupid, but like a lot of stuff was going on, and so I don't know, I just feel really crappy. I think I'm gonna eat another burrito. It wasn't that big, it was literally just beans and salsa, so. That was this video. I don't know if this is an appropriate thing to put in the end of it, but I don't care because it's my channel and I can put whatever I want on it. See you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do you want to do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I say bye so weird. Like, I need to get everything together.